So for the window washing man in the house, I think you're pretty excited about this one.
This is a nice long pole.
That's a very nice long pole.
Of course.
Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this window washing pole, I guess we'll call it. This product was sent, squeegee and window washer combination pole. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. And honestly, I know that Jamie is gonna love this already. You can reach, you don't have to stand on anything. If you have tall windows at your house, you're gonna love this thing. The fact that you can just wipe with that and then squeegee it off is pretty cool. No, there's dog hair up there? Not at all from me blowing out the dog coats. All right, so we got a little window cleaner around. Jamie's gonna window cleaner right off of here. The reflection from the light inside the kitchen is pretty funny.
Oh, nice.
Ooh.
Yeah, maybe just straight down.
Yep. And
So
then,
I guess you can turn the, so I could go.
oh, that,
sideways,
yeah.
too.
That looks really nice already, though.
I mean,
I'm gonna go turn the lights off inside. Maybe it'll make it easier to see the window.
okay.
Well, there's a little less reflection.
Is that easier?
Here, I'll come a little closer for you guys so you can actually see that it's squeegeeing the water right off. The nice thing is with this, it's all in one. So you wash the window with the one side and then you squeegee the water off without having to switch to a different tool. It's all one tool for all of it. That is actually pretty nice. Yeah, that's pretty
I guess
cool.
You can turn it sideways.
Yeah, it's got a little button on it, so you can turn it. That makes it easy for storage, but also makes it so you could run it sideways if you needed to.
So I don't know if I can at this angle.
Yeah, so if you click at the other, yeah, there's a little bit of an angle on it. I'll come back down here and get out of the way. Oh, see, there you go. Yeah, right across the bottom. And as you can see, there's another little wiper right there. So it comes with two. It comes with this one that is really good for getting grime and stuff off. And then it also comes with the other one.
It's more of a buffing pad.
Yeah, more of, like a buffing, polishing type of thing. And it just hook and loop goes right on. You got this.
My finger.
There you go. And that's how easy it is to change. I like this. I mean, I don't wash the windows, you do. So
I
it's,
made a streak. I think I did. Make a
yeah,
streak.
so there you go. If you made a streak, you can go through and you can clean it back up. You could even use one for one solution and one for another solution if you wanted to. Like, you could have all kinds of different setups for this. But what do you think? You got all the dog dander that I put all over the window off the window?
Yeah.
Which is nice.
And I think you could adjust it if you wanted to take one out, but I like the full length.
Oh, yeah, because our windows are a little higher, but if you needed it shorter, you could adjust it a little bit. And then, like he showed, I guess you can unscrew it and just use it handheld as well. That's pretty nice.
That's a nice grip on there.
Yep.
That's
I
great.
think we approve. And now my window's clean.